What if the world as we know it is just a fraction of the truth? What if there's a massive land hidden in plain sight beyond the icy borders of Antarctica? Ancient maps, military secrets, and forbidden theories all point to one shocking possibility that Earth is not what we've been told. Let's go deeper into the mystery of the ice wall and what could lie beyond it. The Flat Earth Theory isn't just a fringe idea from internet forums. It is rooted in ancient beliefs that see Earth not as a spinning globe, but as a flat realm with the sun and moon rotating above us. In this model, Earth is a giant disk surrounded by a towering ice wall. This isn't just speculation. Early civilizations like the Babylonians and some ancient Hebrew texts describe the Earth as flat with a firm dome above. If this model is true, then Antarctica isn't a continent at the bottom. It is a circular wall that keeps the oceans from spilling off the edge. But why would anyone lie about the shape of the Earth? Some say it is the ultimate control. If humanity knew how much land and power exists beyond the wall, the entire world order could collapse. The ice wall, Antarctica's forbidden border. Now let's talk about that ice wall. According to this theory, Antarctica isn't just a frozen wasteland. It's a massive, impenetrable boundary up to 200 feet high, surrounding all of Earth. No one is allowed to freely explore it. Even though it's the coldest, driest place on Earth, countries from around the world rushed to sign the Antarctic Treaty in 1959. That treaty bans all military activity and limits exploration to strictly controlled scientific research. But why? What's so dangerous or secret there? People who tried to get close, like certain private expeditions, have reported being turned away by military patrols. It's almost as if the entire region is protected by a global agreement. Not to protect nature, but to protect a secret. Forbidden maps and ancient clues. What's even stranger is that hundreds of years ago, ancient explorers seemed to know more about the poles than we do today. The Peary Race map from 1513 shows the Antarctic coast without ice. How could it depict a landmass supposedly discovered centuries later? The Orontius Phineas map from 1531 shows detailed rivers and mountain ranges in Antarctica again, before modern instruments even existed. Even the Zeno map, created in the 14th century, shows islands in the Arctic and Antarctic that don't exist on today's maps. Were these explorers just guessing, or did they have access to knowledge that's since been erased? Operation High Jump. Military secrets in the ice. In 1947, the U.S. Navy launched one of the largest Antarctic missions in history, Operation High Jump. Led by Admiral Richard Byrd, it involved over 4,000 men, aircraft carriers, and submarines. Officially, it was just training, but Admiral Byrd later spoke of discovering a land beyond the South Pole the size of the United States, filled with resources. Just months later, the mission ended suddenly. No explanation, no follow-up. And shortly after, Antarctica was closed off to the public. What did they find out there? Why the silence? Theories about what lies beyond. So what's really beyond the wall? Theories vary wildly, from ancient civilizations untouched by time, to alien beings, to hidden continents where elites hide technology thousands of years ahead of us. Some believe that humanity is confined to a small part of Earth, and that the ice wall separates us from dozens of other lands, realms that hold history, power, and knowledge that would shatter our worldviews. This idea even shows up in ancient Japanese manuscripts and Norse myths about distant, unreachable lands. Are they myths or warnings? The truth is, there's more mystery in the frozen silence of Antarctica than most people realize. Why the global effort to keep us away? Why the ancient maps that show the impossible? Whether you believe the Earth is flat or round, one thing's clear: someone is hiding something. And beyond that ice wall may lie the greatest secret of all. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Mystery Gap, and hit the bell so you never miss a secret.